Do check the description box for a 10% discount code by the name welcome10 and get a 10% discount on this skin essential kit. So let's get started. Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Dimensions. Before getting into the video, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Hope you all are doing fine. Today I have construction is going on as always. Alright, so today I have with me a skin essential kit from the brand Tricone, and this kit has a face wash, a toner and also a sunscreen gel. So before getting into the product details, I would like to talk a little about this brand Tricone, and this is an Ahmedabad based brand, and the products of this brand are free from harmful chemicals, parabens, toxins, and also they are not tested on animals, they are cruelty free. So I think we should support brands like this more. Alright, so coming back to the products. These are the three products, and this is a face wash, and this is the toner, and this is the sunscreen. So let's talk about this one by one. The main ingredient in these three products is L-glutathione, and L-glutathione is basically an antioxidant which is also present in our body, and this L-glutathione is very beneficial and this is very useful for skin whitening. A lot of people actually inject this via intravenous in their system to get a fairer complexion, and mostly celebrities do that, and it is okay. I'm not endorsing fairness by any means. You should be happy in the way you are, but if you want to change the tone and texture of your skin, there are options. That's what I'm just trying to convey. Okay, so this is the L-glutathione face wash from Tricone, and this also has vitamin C. Vitamin C, this has kojic acid and reduces the damage from UV rays, and this also fights fine lines, wrinkles and everything. This 100 grams of face wash retails for 495 rupees. So this is the bottle. So let's just see a quick demo of this. This smells like jam, like a proper jam we apply on bread, that kind of jam. This smells like that because this has strawberries, this has blueberries, and this also has kojic acid. Kojic acid also helps in whitening your skin tone, and also this has vitamin C. Alright, so after washing my face with this, as you saw, there was no redness and there was no irritation at all. My skin was feeling very soft and very supple after washing with this. Okay, so the second product which you're supposed to use after washing your face, this is the toner. This 100 ml of toner retails for 395 rupees. This also has L-glutathione. This has vitamin C, and this is 100% alcohol free. This is how it looks like. This comes in the form of spray. This has a beautiful fragrance. I cannot compare this fragrance with anything, but the fragrance is very nice and very refreshing. Like, this has cucumber, this has, I think, green tea as well. This also has kiwi extract, and kiwi is high in vitamin C. This has glycolic acid. This claims to give you that radiant glass skin. Okay, so let's just see a demo of this. After applying this toner, my skin was feeling so cool and relaxed, and it was feeling very soft, and the fragrance is very nice and very refreshing kind of a fragrance. So I think you should try this one. So this is the third product, and this is the third step as well, and this is the sunscreen. And this sunscreen claims to protect you from the harmful radiations of Wi-Fi and blue light. You know, our Wi-Fi also emits a lot of radiation, which is not good for our skin. The radiations coming from Wi-Fi, it actually produces a lot of free radicals, and free radicals makes our skin look very aged. Like it gives, you know, it gives way to fine lines and around the corner of your mouth or the corner of your eye. So Wi-Fi radiation is also very dangerous and very bad for your health, for your skin as well. So this claims to protect you from that harmful radiations. This 100 grams of sunscreen retails for 595 rupees, and this is a very broad spectrum sunscreen gel, and this is matte, and this also has L-glutathione, and this has an SPF of 60 PA+++. So let's quickly apply this as well. This sunscreen gel is very non-sticky. This doesn't feel sticky at all, and this gets absorbed very easily. And it is always suggested to apply sunscreen 20 minutes before going outside, because the sunscreen needs to settle down on your skin properly. And always reapply whenever you feel like you should reapply. The texture of this sunscreen is very light and very soft, so this won't feel very heavy, as it's very hot here in Delhi, very humid here in Delhi. So we all need a sunscreen which, you know, feels light but is very good. So I think this fits the bill very easily. This has extracts of peaches, carrot. Also this has wheat germ oil and vitamin E. This does not give that white kind of a cast which most of the sunscreens give. As you saw in the video, this was not making my skin look extremely white and chalky. This looks very natural. All these three products are suitable for all skin types, and these products can be used by anyone, men and women, above the age of 15. So these products are safe for teenagers as well. So this was my quick and short, I hope this is a short video of these three products of Skin Essential Kit from Tricone. And you can try these three products because they will help in giving your skin that even complexion. They'll help in brightening your complexion, and also the ingredients are very natural and safe to use. So I think you should give this a try. It will be beneficial if you use these three together, or you can buy them separately as well. If you just want to try one of these products, you can buy. And the coupon code which I gave you, which I told you at the beginning of the video, that is only applicable in the Tricone website. That won't be applicable on Amazon or Flipkart. So make sure you use that code on the original website of Tricone. So that was it. I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.